Okay, y'all. So, welcome back and welcome to my video. So, I was thinking, you know, it's getting ready to be cold, and people have like these little bitty dogs and stuff, the little frou dogs and stuff. So, um, being the pandemic or whatever and what have you, not everybody have the means to shop the nice things for the pets. So I guess if you want to say that. So anywho, well, and I had this image that I had printed off for a onesie that I had made for one of my grandsons. So I was thinking, and I had this, and I had, so like I said, I had two. Um, so I was wondering, what if we sublimated on the puppy's jacket? So I'm going to take this image, this extra image that I had printed out for one of my kids, grandkids, onesies that I had made. Yes, I think I did post that video. Um, so instead of this image just going to waste and me throwing it away, I said, well, I'm going to try and see on the dog's jacket. So let's see how this turned out, y'all. Like I said, this is it's just to see, curiosity. Oh shit, well, something got on, but we're gonna get that off. But anywho, okay, I'll be back once I taper down and put it on the heat press. One more thing before I go. I wonder how it's going to take to this. And then, it's this polyester. But this is like that, y'all hear it like that plastic. So I hope that when I do it, press it, it won't burn. So I might can't press it that long. So I don't know. We're going to see. It's just, like I said, it's something that I was thinking of, something I want to see. So let's see how it turned out, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm at the heat press. I have placed the image onto the puppy jacket. So don't forget to cover your platform with some paper or butcher paper, whatever you have. I use regular print paper. And then cover your image with some paper. I'm going to make sure I use that in case, for one, if it bleeds, and then to protect the top of my heat press, and two, because I'm kind of concerned about this puff jacket. I'm thinking it might melt. I don't know from the amount of time that I got to leave it on there to try to get a good image, but we're going to see how it turns out, y'all. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So, you see we're at the heat press. So, oh shit. Let's see how it turned out. We're gonna see together. Let's see if it took. It took. Okay, y'all. So let me get this off, and then I'll be back. Check this out, y'all. It worked. Okay, watch out now. Customization for the pets too. You know what? I'm thinking to jazz this up just a little bit more. I think I'm about to add some rhinestones in here. So, I'll be back. All right, y'all. This is the finishing things. Check out my jazzy little monster. Ooh, we all bedazzled out, honey. Yeah, honey. She bedazzled out, honey. This is what you call bedazzled on the budget. Jazzy little monster. I said it all. Bedazzled on a budget. Here we go for the little monster. All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. More little quirky ideas coming up. I like that. I kind of like that. And I glued it on with some adhesive from the I found for the from the that I had for some crafting things that I was gonna do that I had purchased from the Dollar Tree. So look at that, y'all. Boom, 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 boom. All right.